What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be an install on an oil catch can. Shout out to my new sponsor, Bull Boost Performance. I'll leave the link down below, that way you guys can check them out. It is on sale right now, so make sure you don't sleep on it, especially if you have a DE G35 350. Unless you have an HR, you know what I'm talking about. I'll give you guys an update of what I've done to the car in the next video. Today I want to focus on the install, so let's get to it. When you open the box, it does come with your two hoses. What I like about this is they're already labeled, so you don't have to be worrying about which one goes where, or oh my god, I didn't put it in the right place. Nah, this one already comes labeled, so you're good. And I did choose red for my hoses. I know they have other colors, but this is what I chose. They do send you a few decals. I already put some on my toolbox, that's why I only have one right now. But besides that, the oil catch can itself, you can tell the quality on this is very good. It does come with the mounting bracket already, and it does come with the two self taps, that way you can just screw it on to wherever you want to mount it. And now I'm going to show you how to install it. So the first thing you want to do, if you have your engine cover, you do want to take off the 4 bolts that it has. They're 10 mils in my case, because the hose we're going to reach is this one. Alright, so what we want to do, there's a 10 mil right here. This little bracket will come loose, and that's where you're gonna mount your catch can. So once it's mounted, it should look something like this. After it's nice and sturdy, it's not going anywhere. Now all we gotta do is disconnect this clamp, which runs right there, and just run the in to the in and the out to the out. Alright, once you got that taken off, you'll see you have that, and you have this like that. So you want to grab the hose that says the PC valve to the catch can. In my case, the way you could tell, this one's a bit longer, so you are going to use your old clamps, and this is going to go there, and this end, it's going to go into here. Let me show you what that looks like. Not to say you do want to tighten these. They are plastic, so you don't want to over tighten them, just so you know they're nice and tight. It is a 17. So as you can see, I ran the first hose. And this is gonna go from here where it says in, and then this next one, the next hose is gonna go. I'm sorry, this is out. This is gonna go in to the intake manifold. Alright guys, this is how it should be set up. So I had swapped these on accident. So what you want to do, it does say, I don't know if you guys can see that, this left one says out. So the out is obviously the output of the catch can, and this is going to go into the manifold or the plenum, whatever you want to call it. This longer one, which is the import of the catch can, I don't know if you guys can see that, it says in right there. So it's the import. This is going to go to the valve cover slash PCB valve, whatever you want to call it, which is right here. You do want to make sure your clamps are nice and tight, so that way you know this is not going to come out. And this is what it should look like. Also, you do want to tighten these. But yeah guys, this is what it should look like. If you're having trouble, you don't know what hose goes where or to what input on the catch can, what I did is, so the closer one goes to the closest valve, the farthest one goes to the farthest one. So this is shorter, it reaches perfectly. This one's longer, reaches perfectly. If you were to put this one right here, it's not enough. It's not long enough, so it wouldn't fit. So that's another way you can do it, but It does come with this on the hoses, so just don't get them mixed up and you'll be good. So I'm all done putting that. I don't know if you guys noticed, this one did look kind of bent, so I fixed that. It looks good now. All I gotta do is put my cover back on. I am gonna wipe this down since I'm here already. Just give this shit a nice little wipe down and I'll show you guys how it looks with the cover. But I am gonna use this Grides engine cleaner. I have used this in the past and it's been working really good, so I've always stayed with this. If you guys know any other brands that are good, let me know. Hit me up. I do like trying new products, so let me know what else is good to clean this shit. So this is what it looks like. That way you guys can see it after and see how this shit works. I'm not gonna go too crazy, just a little wipe down the areas I can reach. Whatever I can't reach, oh well. At least I could tell the difference. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but fuck, this shit does work magic. I didn't even scrub or anything. As you can see, some corners were hard to get because my fingers didn't fit, but I'm not really gonna go too crazy because it is gonna be covered either way. But this shit does really work. Like I said, I totally recommend this if you guys are trying to clean your engine bay. I bet if you were to scrub it even more deeper, even pressure wash it, this shit would look brand new. But let me know if you guys know of any other products that will work. And yeah, let me show you the finished result with the cover on. So this is what it looks. With my cover on. You can see the hoses right there. You can see the catch can right there. Fitment is perfect, no issues at all. Hoses are not bent. I'm really satisfied with this catch can. Shout out once again to my new sponsor, Bull Boost Performance. I am gonna leave their link in the description, so make sure you guys check them out and you cop one yourself. This shit really, the hoses itself makes the engine pop way more than what it used to. Cause I am stock, I just have an intake, a couple bolt-ons, nothing major. I am gonna get a carbon fiber cover, so hopefully once I get that cover, it will show this catch can a bit more, because it does look pretty sick. But yeah guys, that's basically it for this video. Easy install, took about 20 minutes max. It took me a little longer just because I am recording and showing you guys step by step, but 10-20 minutes max is what it should take you. Simple tools. All I really used was something to clamp down the hoses and a 10 mil. That's all I used, nothing else. And well, just my thing that I use to clean my towel and shit. But besides that, yeah guys, that's the finished product. Does look way better. So once again, shout out to Bull Boost Performance. Link is in the bio, check him out. And I'm out.